floor drains in a big family house kitchen, cut cleanup time, and keep heavy-use prep areas safe and sanitary. For a pantry or catering prep area, plan an integrated tiled floor drain that ties into the main waistline and is sized for high flow so it handles frequent spills and mop water without backup. Set the floor slope at 1/4 inch per foot toward the drain to ensure positive drainage while keeping transitions smooth for carts and foot traffic. Use a removable stainless steel strainer that is large poured to catch debris but easy to lift and clean, plus a trap primer to maintain the trap seal and prevent sewer gas entry during infrequent use. Coordinate drain invert elevation with the rest of the plumbing and consider a floor sink or accessible cleanout for maintenance access. Choose durable, non-porous tile with a textured finish for slip resistance and cementitious grout that resists staining so daily scrubbing removes soils without degrading the surface. Finally, work with your plumber early so fixture rough-in, venting, and any required backflow prevention are addressed before tiled finishes go down. Common problems include slow drainage from improper slope, which you fix by regrading to maintain the 1/4 inch per foot pitch and checking for mortar or debris blocking flow. Overflow and backups occur when strainer size is too small or trap primer is absent, so swap to a larger removable strainer and install a trap primer that recharges the P-trap when flow is intermittent. And it is common to see tile cracking near drains from poor substrate preparation, which you prevent by installing a bonded waterproofing membrane and using appropriate thin-set coverage and movement joints around the drain body. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who specialize in kitchen floor drain installations and large prep area solutions, helping us match needs to available skills and local code familiarity. We also host an active discussion community where we share installation tips, product recommendations, and real-world lessons so both homeowners and contractors can learn from each other.